Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you guys how I change my Hyundai Sonata headlight, I mean the bulb. So he's not using the regular bulb, so this is the bulb he's using. So don't make mistake, don't buy this. This is different. So this is what I first buy. I bought this but it doesn't work, so this is what you're gonna buy. So they call it D3 DS3 or D31, you know, so it's different. So if you want to buy, don't make mistake. This is what you're gonna buy, D3S or DS3. So yeah. So most of car they're not using the regular bulb. So the bulb is different. It has two different ones. The halogen and the white one. I don't know what I called. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I take it off. Cause on Hyundai Sonata 2015, before you can change the bulb, you have to take the whole bumper. You take it off, you take the headlight, you take it out. So it has a lot of work. You can just, like the regular one, you know, you just open the headlight from the back, then fix it back. But this, you have to take the whole bumper. So this is what I'm gonna do right now. Just follow the process. Take off the bolts. Once you take them off, you see, so you take that off too. Yeah, like I said, you have to take off all the bumper because you can't change the bulb. So I remember, yeah, you need that to take the little pin on the bumper. You know, once you open the bonnet, you see those little clip. Take them off. So I remember when I took it to a dealer, they said they're gonna charge me $500. So you need a star screwdriver. Like I said, they said they're gonna charge me $500. Anyway, I'm coming back. So there's some bolts under the bumper where the tire is. So you take off the bulb, the bolt is under. So that's the bolt right there. And you're gonna take all the clip. You know, it's different for, you know, from every car, but you know, most car that use D3S, this is how you're gonna do. You have to take off the bumper. You see all the little clip, take them off too. Take them off. It's pretty easy, you know what I mean? All you need to do is just to pay attention. Under the bumper, there's some bolts under the bumper that covered, you know, that they used to hold the cover under the engine. So those bolts too, I think it's like 4 or 5. Take them off. Yeah, so once you take it off, come to the side. So to take off the bumper, hold the bumper down. Yeah, put it out. You see that? Put it out. But just be careful. So go to the other side, do the same thing at the other side. Yeah, you see that? Just hold the bumper, put it out. You need to be careful, just put it out. Because your whole car bumper might different, having bolts in different places, you know. But make sure you take off all the bolts. All you need to do is just lift it up. That's it. It's easy. Very easy, guys. But before you can do anything that's like a fog light, take off the, you see, the little wire clip. Press the clip, take it off. Don't forget, because you might just take off the bumper, you know, messed up with your fog light. You see, take the both side off. That's the only thing that hold the bumper. Once I take it off, the bumper is free. That's it. Easy, guys. Easy. Take it off. Yes, let's start the work. So that's another bolt that hold the headlight. So you know, that's the bolt. You take it up. So you need adjustable spanner or star screwdriver, and don't forget to take the
also terminal 6
time for. Don't forget to take the headlight cable. Take it off. You see? No, that's not how to take it off. Come the other side. Lift it up. Pull it forward. So that's the right way to take it off, so that it's not gonna fall. Lift it up. Take it out. That's it. So now you're gonna open the cover. Then you're gonna see what I'm saying. It's different from the regular bulb. You see? You see the bulbs has two screws that tied it down. It's very different. So you need like a long screwdriver, like star screwdriver. So now I have one. I bought it for my phone too, so you can adjust it. You can make it long or short. So that's what I use. You lose the two bolts. Once you lose it out, yeah, you're done already. Once you lose it out. If you follow the video step by step, it's easy. Like I said, so the dealer said they're gonna charge me $500 to $500 to take to change my headlight, the bulb, not even the headlight case. So what I did, I just go home. I tried to look for it on YouTube. I can't even find anyone. So I have to figure it out myself. So I think I bought the bulb. I bought it like 20 something dollar. You know what I mean? Then I fix it myself. I even buy different type. One is more focused and it's very bright. The second one, which is the same type that comes with the car, I don't like it. So I bought two different ones. So the other one is LED. So this one, it's a white but not LED. So the LED one is more superior. If you want to buy it, you see this is the LED one. Dang, I'm not joking, I'm not capping. I've been using it. So you're gonna see the results at the end of the video. The LED one is crazy, man. It's more focused, you know. But the other one, when I put it in, it was looking up. This has a fan to cool the system down, because the LED one, it's hot, you know, once you turn it on, and it's very powerful, very bright. So what I did, I first put the same one that came with the car. I put it. I don't like it. So then I tried the LED one, but the LED one was on top. So I have to use the LED one. So that's it. Take the cable out. Yeah, guys, there's a lot of things you can fix yourself inside your car. All you need to do, go search it on YouTube. If you can't find it, just, you know, find a way to figure it out, because all those dealers, they charge a lot. You see, they charge you a lot of money for just a minor things. You know, you don't want to be wasting money. I'm not rich, and I don't want to waste my money. So I took it off. I don't like it. It's not. Yeah, so now I check the LED, then I try to see if this is better than the LED one. But to be honest, guys, the LED one is super, very super. So it's pretty easy, you know. You take it off the same way you take it off, you put it back the same way. Just make sure you keep the bolts. You don't mix it together, or you don't let it fall out. So keep it somewhere. Immediately you take it off, keep it somewhere, like I said. You see. So I later take it off because it's not that bright. It's not bright the way I want. And it's not focused. It's looking up. So I took it all back. Then put in the LED one. You're gonna see the LED one. You're gonna see how bright that LED one is. So don't skip the video. If you don't skip it, you will understand the video. You will understand how to do it yourself. But don't rush. It's just 17 minutes video. Don't rush. Take your time. Watch the 17 minutes. Then start doing it yourself. Because wasting $500 for dealer, bro, it's too much, man. Some don't even make $500 a day. How you gonna give it to dealer what you can do yourself? Trust me, you're not gonna spend 1-2 hours. If you watch the video first and you start doing it, you can't spend more than 1 hour. Let's say 2 hours. And if you wanna in your job, how much you get per hour? This is the LED one. Yeah, this is LED one. But I'm not copying. See? Excuse me, guys. That's the LED one. You're gonna see the difference. It's a little bit difficult, you know, but if you take your time, don't rush, you're gonna get it right. You're gonna get it right. If you don't rush, if you take your time, like I said, you know, so that you're not gonna mess up the bulb. That's it, guys. Then put a clip, tie it down. Easy, easy. So guys, if you enjoyed the video so far, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment your thoughts. You know what I mean? Ask any question. I'm here 24/7 to respond to your message, to respond to your comments. You know what I mean? So don't forget to like, share, comment, and click that bell notification so that anytime I post any video concerning my car or any products, you can see. Yeah, so the same thing you do in the other side, you're gonna do the same thing on the other headlight side. So you start from the driver side or passenger side, you know, it's up to you, but you know, the same way. So my one headlight went off. Instead of me to change that one, so I changed both so that, you know, I can balance the light. So if I change one, I didn't show the other one, it's not gonna balance. One side is gonna more brighter than the other side. So what I did, I changed everything. You understand what I said? Change everything. Don't say you wanna change one and do the other one. So just fix it back. Put the headlight. So like I said, make sure you make sure everything is complete before you start coupling it back, because if you later forget, like, oh, you forgot to put this and you already put the bumper, you know, that's gonna be another work entirely. So make sure you put everything in. Put the bolts, put everything before you put the bumper. Double check very well before you put the bumper in, because once you put the bumper and you want to take it off, I'm not gonna lie to you, that's gonna piss you off. Like, you're gonna get tired. Yeah, so pretty easy. I've done everything. Now I have to put back the bumper. Yeah, so you first put it up. Before you put it up, make sure you put back the fog light. You know, plug in the fog light back. The next thing, put on the bumper. That's it. So make sure the engine cover under the engine, the cover, put it in very well, because sometimes it kind of difficult. So put it in before you clip back the bumper. Yeah, make sure the cover is in. So if you want this light, the light on my head is wireless. So if you don't want to touch it, once you put your hand beside the sensor, it's gonna turn off. You put your hand back, it's gonna turn on. So if you want the light, I'm gonna drop the link at the comment section, at the description section. My bad. You know, so if you want the light, just click the link. You know, it's gonna take you straight. And I'm gonna drop the bulb link on the description section. I'm sorry if I'm not an English man. You know, just trying. And English might little bit bad. You know. That's it, guys. So once you don't put it in, just clip. It's just a clip. Once you clip back the bumper, just press it. Pop, pop, pop. Everything goes in. But make sure everything aligned. You know, that's how you can able to clip everything. You see, I'm done with it. With it, 500 from dealer. Now, let's say I spent $30 because the bulb cost me like 20 something, but approximately 30 bucks. So that's it, guys. You can fix it yourself. You can fix it yourself. Easy. So after clipping everything together, just pull back the bolts, you know, put everything back. Trust me, everything will be good. So now, you see, I'm gonna turn on the light. See how bright this light is. This LED light, see, that's just the low beam, not the high beam. That's crazy, guys. Let me show you outside when I was just. See how bright that light is? Can you see that? Boom. You see that? See how bright that is? So guys, thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, like I said, for more video. Thank you. See you on my next video.